light the lamp because it symbolizes knowledge, and knowledge removes ignorance, and knowledge removes ignorance, and so that light removes darkness. So I would like to invite our chief guest, Neeraj Kumar Sinha, Reverend Father Principal, S.C. Day, Reverend Father Seri, and school captain. Please come and light the lamp. On the other hand, I would like to call Reverend Father Rector, Mr. Shivendu Paul, Mrs. Ravi Kumar,
Which side shall I go to the dais, on the dais? This side or that side?
Mr. Ravin Krishna, and school chair. Father Rector Shivendu Ravin Krishna and school chair. As I told that light symbolizes knowledge and knowledge removes ignorance, just as light removes darkness. In Sanskrit also it is said, Deepa Jyoti Parabrahma, Deepa Sarvotamopaha, Deepena Sadhyate Sarva Sandha Deepo Namastute. I prostrate to the dusk lamp is the Supreme Lord, which removes the darkness of ignorance and by which all can be achieved in life. Thus, this custom contains a wealth of intellectual and spiritual meaning. हम मंदिर हो, दीप जलाते हैं। इस दीप का अपना एक महत्व है। ये सिर्फ प्रकाश ही नहीं है, बल्कि ज्ञान का प्रतीक है, और ज्ञान परब्रह्म से होता है। इसको समर्पित करते हैं, उनकी आशीष से किसी भी शुभ काम को शुरू करते हैं। दीप प्रज्वलन के बाद मैं फादर रेवरेंड फादर ग्लासियस को स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहती हूँ।
Respected chief guest of the day, respected guests of honor, respected citizens of Sahibganj, well-wishers, teachers, parents and students. It is a day to thank and praise God Almighty for His wonders in and through St. Xavier Sahibganj. With the same grateful heart, I stand before you to welcome you all for this 50th annual concert. We have in our midst many Xaverians who have done us proud by their wonderful performance in their lives. One of them is our chief guest of this evening, and on behalf of Reverend Father Principal, the staff members and the students, I extend a sincere welcome to you, Sri Neeraj Sinha, IPS Chief Security Commissioner, East Central Railways. We are glad to have you amidst us today. We are proud of you, along with all our Xaverians present here. I request Father Principal to honor him with a shawl. Ravi Kumar and also Sri S.K. Jha, IPS, Superintendent of Police, Sahibganj, though they are not present, but we also welcome them. We extend our welcome to all our former teachers who have served this institution with love and dedication. Your presence is an honor and joy to us. Welcome, sirs. I request our all students, Mr. Ravin Krishnan, to honor with a shawl to Mr. S.C. Dey. Mr. Ravin Krishnan to Mr. S.C. Dr. Amitwa Biswas to Mr. M.K. Biswas. I also invite Mr. Arun Gupta to honor Mr. K.P. Mitra. I invite Mr. Rohit Karna. I also invite Mr. Nilanjan Sinha to honor librarians who have taken trouble to come and be present over here to make this 50th annual concert a memorable one. It is you who are keeping the flag of St. Xavier's and Jesuit education high. It is a joy and all present here. Please do enjoy and have a pleasure. I'd like to invite Father Principal to introduce a special guest.
Chief guest of the day, Sri Neeraj Sinha, IPS, Professor Arun Sinha ji. It's a great honor to have you all here today amidst us. Maybe after a very, very long time, this is the first time we are having one of our own. And I also ask pardon, I request Saudesh